Welcome everyone into my vlog, 13th of April, in my art studio, Ontario, Canada. My name is Olga Peregood and I turn my watercolor passion into my profession. In this vlog, I will show you what happens on my table easel today. The first thing is, remember my previous Sakura demonstration? I end this piece. And it sucks, because I don't want it to end. I want to paint this Sakura forever. You know what I mean? The second, this is my dog commission. This is a Thor, appears very beautifully. He's adorable. I definitely want to pet him. And you know what? I'm guilty. Because look at this section at the bottom. I continue experimenting even in serious projects. I already showed you this J painting on Periscope and on my blog, which techniques I used for snow at the background, for his tail and the bottom section. So it's nice, it's good, you can find them and you can approach them as well. But I thought, what is the main point of this painting? If I will paint a J again, what will be the main feature? And I come out with the idea. It's all about the colors. Look how beautiful color combination for this painting. In this vlog I will show you how I choose right colors for my painting. I don't tell you how much such pieces gone on my bin before I come out with this lucky one. Once I satisfied with the colors, then I got ready to paint my subject. And this is a little tip for you. It's easier to move forward and start to paint your subject if you before take your time and think a little bit. What colors matches your subject the best? This was my painting session. I wish you enjoy your painting session as much as I do. Have a lot of fun and experimenting. See you. Bye.